I got y'all on a daily chart. As y'all can see, we still on our way down, but it stopped exactly where I said it was right here. After they recover these candlesticks, like I said, for this first drop to the 30,000. You see that green candlestick? That was slowed it down, but of course it kept going downward because we still on a downward spiral to 20,000. I'm gonna show y'all real close on the 4 hourly real fast. See on this, we got two options. Excuse me. We can either test the 20 MA one more time because it's been tested twice. You can see right there, 1, 2. We can test it one more time, right, and get rejected, and then we go into 20,000. Or we can test it one more time and break through, and then we'll probably attempt to hit this 50 MA. So there'll be a max of 32,000 at the very highest. But to be honest, I feel as though they're going to stop halfway around 30,000. I probably say 30, 31,000 and then reverse it. It depends on how long they want to drag it out. Because tomorrow is Friday, obviously, and then, you know what I mean, the weekend ain't no banks open. So, I mean, I'm going to tell you right now, I already know Monday going to be devastating for all markets. It's going to be life-changing everywhere. But, yeah. Like I said, these are only two options. We could just creep on up, tap the 50 MA, and then take a nice drop down because the drop is going to be worse than the drop we just had. Like y'all seen Luna? Yeah, Luna is a prime example what I warn everybody about because they about to do that with everything, everywhere. And like I keep telling y'all, it's a great reset. They got a lot of things planned, and you know what I'm saying? And it's basically trying to make our lives hard, but that's why I've just been warning y'all to go ahead and be prepared for this and don't play around. Especially mainly y'all holders. I mean, if you trade, I mean, you know what you're doing anyways, you know what I'm saying, on the daily side. But anyone else, all you gotta do is stop looking at this thing for an hour or two and you gone. You know what I mean? You demolished. And don't forget Coinbase already basically came out and said, hey, we go bankrupt. Hey, that's y'all problem. You know what I mean? They about to run away with everybody's money. They already came out and told you that recently. So, I mean, y'all better pay attention to what's really happening around here. So, anyways, the drop will continue. You see it stopped around here. I'm going to weekly. So, y'all can see right here. So, you see between this candlestick right here, right? Boom. That's why it stopped. Right there. And the spike hit this 100 EMA, just like I told y'all, just to trick some people. Because that some people might take that as a sign of, oh, it's had the 100 EMA. It's going to reverse now, you know, and they hop in. But no, that's what they want you to think. Because it's a large head and shoulders. And they always complete the head and shoulders. And the completion would be at 20,000 for this large head and shoulders. So that is how I know for a fact it's going to 20,000. It's not done yet. The next candlestick we see on the weekly is going wherever this thing stops, and it's probably going to be right in this general area around the 30,000 range, having people tricked over the weekend. But it's going to make a nasty drop, man. I mean, a nasty one, way worse. Like I always tell you, they like going by three. So that one got bigger, that one got bigger. This one is going to be devastating, man. Like I said, it's going to be just like another Luna. But of course, the rest of the markets too, because Bitcoin is everything, obviously. So, anyways, after that, and like I said, we're going to reevaluate, but this is what I really believe is going to happen. I believe we're going to get one more candlestick that's going to take us somewhere around this zone, around the 20,000 zone, all the way down to the 5,500 zone. I believe that's going to happen within a day. Whenever they do that, I think that's going to be the one that's going to do it. It's going to be just like this one, but just like 4 times larger. And it's going to come all the way down here to the spike down to that 5,500 range. It'll basically be recovery of all of this. And then it'll come back up and make it close just above the support level around 10,000. And then it should reverse by then. You know, but who knows? They could continue on down, you know what I mean? Because who really knows? But that's just me being optimistic and hope that they don't do nothing that devastating to everybody. At least that bad. But, I mean, it wouldn't surprise me at all because they'll be buying it all up since they control the markets too. So, I mean, that's just what I'm seeing from the charts and right now. Going on this side, you know what I mean? On this initial run that we just had. Because, like I told y'all before, recovered this run and they recovered that run. But this is the third run, the third push up. But if you want to see some market comparisons, like, I study and see some market, like stock market stuff from back in the day, it looked just like this, like 100 years ago. And then it did go all the way down. I mean, it recovered everything, including, you know what I'm saying? When I say everything, I mean like from the very beginning, the whole market recovery. So, I mean, like I said, I reevaluate, but do not be surprised because technically, all these candles down here need to be recovered. And that's down to $200. But, like I said, be careful out there. And anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grown. Y'all make your own decisions. But like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.